makes us different. Growing in a city of capabilities. Empowering and upgrading in the tide of technological innovation. Connecting the world from the land of unique advantages. Not aiming for number one, but striving for improvement. We keep moving forward, boldly embracing every challenge. Over the past 10 years, we have been continuously breaking new ground, innovating new technology, leading forward and preserving our mission. With accumulated effort and determination, we will continue to forge ahead with vigor. We delve deeply into the machine, tap into potential. As a leading manufacturer of plastic extrusion machinery industry in China, we specialized in the innovation and manufacture of plastic extrusion machinery and equipment. Ranging from single-screw extruder, conical twin-screw extruder, parallel twin-screw extruder to various types of plastic extrusion lines. We seek progress and improvement of technology, innovation, and the quality of the extrusion machine. We prioritize customer needs, provide customers the best machines and solutions. Our extrusion machines are highly praised by customers from all over the world. Services are available in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, Europe, and other countries. We keep moving up, accumulating all kinds of resources. We're not just a manufacturing company, but also a team full of vitality and creativity. The team has gathered many elites who are the backbone of the plastic extrusion industry. They are the most valuable asset of the company, carrying the success and hope of Oneplus. We keep moving farther, holding fast to the trust placed in us. We adhere to the philosophy of harmony first, customer foremost. We consider customers as friends, striving for win-win situation. In the era of informationization and globalization, we join hands with our partners to create a brighter future.
随着行业的不断发展，我们将持续创新，不断超越，加一精工，进步不断，快乐不停。期待与您携手并进，共同迈向更加辉煌的明天。
Oneplus, plus one for you.